What if one cable could completely transform the way your network works? Not just clean up the clutter, not just improve your performance, but actually take your existing Cisco switches and merge them into a single, intelligent system. That's exactly what the Cisco CAB-STACK-3M does. This isn't just a cable, it's the connector between chaos and clarity in your IT setup. Whether you're running a growing office, managing a warehouse, setting up enterprise-grade systems, or building your own home lab, this 3-meter StackWise cable is a gift. Let's break it down. Most IT managers, tech enthusiasts, and resellers know the pain of managing multiple switches. Each switch needs its own configuration, its own IP, its own updates, and when something goes wrong, troubleshooting is a nightmare. But with StackWise technology from Cisco and this CAB-STACK-3M cable, you can connect up to 9 Cisco Catalyst switches and turn them into one logical unit. That means one point of control, one set of commands, and one simplified way to scale. Imagine running 9 switches, but managing them like it's just one. That's the magic! The CAB-STACK-3M is built specifically for Cisco Catalyst 3750, 3750, and 3750X series switches. It's not a generic solution, it's tailor-made for high-performance networking. So, what do you actually get? A 3-meter copper cable with Cisco's trusted StackWise VHDCI connectors. It's plug and play. No configuration needed. You plug it in, the switches detect each other, and the stack forms automatically. Simple, fast, efficient, and performance. We're talking 32 gigabits per second of stacking bandwidth in both directions. That's bi-directional. Low latency, high reliability communication. Perfect for bandwidth-heavy applications, real-time traffic, or mission-critical environments. Now let's talk about who this cable is really for. If you're a network admin or IT lead, this cable lets you scale your infrastructure without adding complexity. No more dealing with switch-by-switch updates. You apply settings once, and they sync across the entire stack. If you're a business owner or office manager, this cable makes it easy to grow your network as your company expands. Start with 2 switches. Add more as you grow. Your system remains unified, manageable, and stable. If you're a home lab enthusiast or Cisco learner, this cable opens the door to real-world enterprise networking setups right in your home. Practice stacking, redundancy failover, and configuration just like the pros do, without spending a fortune. And if you're a wholesaler or a reseller, this is the kind of accessory that boosts your bundles. Adding a genuine CAB-STACK-3M to your Cisco hardware package shows customers you giving them the tools to scale. More value, more trust, more sales. Let's talk price for a second. New Cisco StackWise cables can cost over $250 to $300. And that's if you can find them in stock, refurbished or certified pre-owned versions like this one at you're getting the same performance, tested quality, and real Cisco compatibility at around half the price. This specific cable is available now at Shop.com for just $132. A solid deal for a product that empowers your entire network. And it's not just the price that makes it a great deal, it's the peace of mind you get knowing you're working with certified Cisco-grade gear. You're not gambling on compatibility, you're investing in reliability. Add to that the 30-day return policy, warranty coverage, and responsive customer service that Shopiluxe offers, and you're buying more than just a cable. You're buying confidence. Still wondering if it's worth it? Think about this. Without a stacking cable, you're managing every switch on its own. But with the CAB-STACK-3M, your 9 switches become one. One brain, one configuration, one seamless network. Your time is valuable, your business needs stability, and your clients expect performance. This cable helps you deliver all 3. So don't wait until your network hits a wall. Don't wait for another failure or bottleneck to remind you that your setup needs scaling. Stack it right, stack it smart. Stack it with Cisco. Get your CAB-STACK-3M cable now at Shop.com before it sells out. Because in today's world, speed, simplicity, and scalability aren't optional. They're expected. And now, You have the cable that delivers it all.